So hello guys, welcome to my vlog. But I guess what this might be like the van here, just like I guess my stuff. And yes,
Papa, magdala ka ng susi.
my stuff. Yeah. So where is the beach? I don't want gonna be the island this, but I will find out later. Hi, Tita Marley.
Ano na? Ay, matapat ka na pa.
Hindi, Tita Marley yung tawag mo dyan.
Parang what?
I started a video, but
Saan ba na?
my see you later. Oh well, there's a van. There's a van over there. Bye. Oh wait. We'll see you later in the video. Hey. Guys, what? Do I not upload again? Hey, Tito Elvin.
Hi.
No.
Hi, kamusta?
I've been in the same spot again, but you finally.
Ito sila.
Wow, cute naman ito.
Finally, hurricane. I'll show you that I'm bringing my Lego over here. Inside there, this is just my Lego minifigure, but German army. 15 of them. I hope I won't lose this. If I lose this, I'm quitting YouTube. Nah, just kidding. I'm not gonna quit YouTube. That means I'm alone in the van, but the back keeps remain open. The driver's seat. Dang. Driver's seat. Guys, while waiting, let's go in the back there and see what's in there. Let's go. Operation. Get into the back. Let's see what's an experience in there. An experience there. I'm in the back, bro. I'm in the back. I'm in the back, but operation, go back. Oh. Hi guys, so hello everyone. So so this is now we're driving the van now. And now it's gonna be road trip. Hell yeah. So my family's at the back. So should I do this again? Bro.
Maraming kanin yan?
No.
Kain na lang doon, initin lang naman doon.
So I'm just here alone in this seat because my mom gonna be here later. I forgot to say. Sharing Kenny. 81. 1891. And this might be a whole field trip. And I'm gonna be adventure, everyone. Hell yeah. So that means I'm bringing my Lego over here. My mom will know this. It's kind of weird, like a Korean. Oh no. Yosan. Mahal. Field trip, Taguig, pinagsama, Taguig City.
Dalampatan, kasama.
Okay na po may number.
Tayo kasya na, no?
Here, Ichi bro.
Yung ano ni Drian, yung kapatid ni Drian. Sila doon.
Now we exit now, Pinag-Sama Taguig City.
Karoon na naman ng problema.
Now we're not the city. Or maybe, yes.
Laway naman sila.
So it's maybe street now. Lack of street. Even green dots over there you can see in the video. I don't know if I'm gonna upload them all. I'm very scared.
Profile ng same day.
Never mind, ignore that. Now we're in the city. Chip to Makati or maybe Pembo. I don't know if this video may get a lot of views, but I'm not quite sure. So, road trip, they're gonna be trucks at night. So guys, I might end the video. I might end the video, so see you later. Next clip. This is it. Almost way. You can see my mom's house and I's stepfather's house. Can you see? But you won't guys see the video. It's already gone now. So scared. Trip to Pembo.
Maganda pa talaga. May pangkas ka.
Try mo natin pag
I'm so dizzy right now.
kunin muna natin yung lamig.
Yo, we're crossing Hotel 101. Hotel 101.
Bababa na lang nila.
Hotel 101. Yes, so we're good. Oh, shit.
Kaya bumay sa dagat.
This is gonna be.
Si Bumble.
Yes, this is down. And then, I know this. Yes, finally. Gonna be. So I think my mom would be there.
Wala pa sila?
Hey, this is it. The Chooks ago. Shawarma Shack. And this is it. I know we may visit them, but
Okay, may mga sulitan mo. Huwag ka bumabagap, dyan ka na lang. Para di na magtagal. Tama ko to, magbubuan.
oh, there we're going.
Hey vlog, hello vlog.
You frustrated my video and viewers.
Please subscribe.
And help me get to 2K subscribers before end of 2025.
Wow. Dumadami na ka ba?
Objective. I'm going in there. Objective. Finally. Here, finally. What's up? Yay! Hello.
Thank you, ya.
Hi.
Dahil yung mga bibit-bitin.
My mom forced me to wear pink.
Hi guys.
The moment I hate is wearing pink because I look like a Barbie. I hate being pink. I hope should not wear pink, but it's so stupid. Who will watch this?
Masyadong lalaki naman. Ano na, lalaki tayo. Panlola. Where's Lola? Come on. Where's your Lola? Lola!
Ah, bakit Lord? Ah, bakit Lord? Ay, I hate wearing pink. Gosh, I'm releasing my tears, bitch. He caught me. Boy, lalo mo pa rin yung...
Ganyan yung ano mo.
Ha?
Yung... Ganyan.
Ah.
Baka may napilit kang setting.
Hindi, yun yung pag madilim eh.
Pag
I need vision. I think I'm releasing my tears, guys. Like,
Pilot Elvin.
Mom,
Ano yun?
promise mo sa next outing ayoko na pink.
Opo. Ma'am, mayroon ako blue.
Dito ka na lang ka na punta.
Kasi ano, wala akong ibang mamaya man.
Dito ka lang.
Blue.
Daddy. Daddy.
May mga sabda ka dito. Ang dami kong binili.
Miss you agad.
Korean.
Nakakatawa naman ang video na yan. Sobra naman.
Ka naman tayo. Kasi kung kumatiba tayo. Anong gusto mo sa next outing? Asan yung t-shirt mo na naman?
Thank you, show.
Karamihan pala dito lang 24 hours.
Ay, ako sa'yo. Bakit ka magkakita?
Ali tatang.
Okay ka na ata sila? Ano ma? Hello?
Tayo.
Cypress Towers.
Altiva 115 po. Altiva 115 po. May kukunin na. Up. Kaya dito.
Kunin mo yung kapiti dyan eh. Nandun kasi wallet to.
ID ko rin wala.
Eh.
ID ko na lang siguro. Ay, ano yun?
ID ko.
Ay, hindi mo pala. Naman ako. Wala ko nakalimutan.
At the Cypress Towers, but we're not swimming in there because, you know, it's not the first vacation ever, but I guess, but we're not swimming in this pool.
Dito na lang pala tayo. Bilis lang.
Yes.
Dito na tayo.
So that means we're not swimming in there. Also that, plus
Kunin lang natin yung floater ni Odin.
that
Pag yun na lang, parang may rama sa dito umito.
we might get stuff in our apartment. Mom's getting something in the apartment.
Kasi yung goggles doon ni Gabriel na. Isa lang, kasi malaki.
Tapos, my dad.
Pwede sa mama?
Huwag na kayo bumaba.
Okay.
Your home. Oding.
Leaving the Cypress.
Seryoso talaga.
It's just a short time, man. I don't even go out.
Sakot daw siya.
Just a short time.
Kawawa din ng Pinoy.
So leaving
Hindi, mga kinukuha naman natin yung patapon eh.
continue the
patapon
journey. We're
Pang
going
lingguan lang.
in.
Hindi, magulo rin. Nung kumukuha siya, magugulong buhay rin. Ay, yung ID mo to.
Yung sasabihin daw. Oo, pareha sila at Paisan. Yun ang gusto ni Pinky mangyari. Oo. Hindi yung nakikita lang daw ni mama niya yung oo, okay nga si Mark sa kanila. Pagdating sa kanya, pinita pa ng anak niya.
Ngayon, bawal na salina na.
Mamadali yun. Sila nga nagmamadali. Pasok ng nabulawol niya. Barangay pa na. At traffic. Nakasingin.
just arrived.
No, di mo sama, ha?
Kidding, but
Ako sama, Mimi. Sama. Ako sama.
it's gonna be with my pee.
You stay. Madaldal na ni Ore.
Think I'm peeing.
Magbababa ha.
Ako yung candy.
Wiwi ka na lagyan sa diaper. Oh, ingat muna. Dito yung tissue, be.
Arrived at the gas station. Can't believe this. I've seen this place before, but not quite sure. Hey.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Ano yung nadaan ng Pandi Manila?
I got Rizzler. I think this place is quite very familiar. Never mind, it's not very familiar. Hi guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Oh, it does. Saya vlog. Saucy baka. Yeah. All the stuff just got blown away.
Hoy, bakit lumipad ka kasi? May plastic labo.
Kaya ito yung bag ko.
Bruh. I'm not gonna be go far. It's gonna be my sister.
Hoy, masagasaan kayo dyan. May sasakyan, huwag kayo dyan.
Hi, attention lang.
Ano siya?
Why?
Anyways,
Balik mo nila sa taas kasi
O yan ay nakuha na.
alin? Shing, shing, whoosh.
Awi ako.
Shing, 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 shing.
That's you.
Me first. Wait.
Ako dyan. Ako dyan.
Me first, idiot.
Ganda ng dapat mo mag-awit ka.
Para mag-isa rin ito.
Nothing the hell just happened.
Daan no, maraming bako. Iwan natin yung mabigat.
Ano ay? Kalsada ya?
Na tayo umihe?
Ano na
Na tayo
yan?
stop over?
So,
Kalsada
Oo
yung
nga.
tulog nung ganun din eh.
Kakatakot.
Ano na eh.
Oo nga. Ay, di yung
I thought the engine ran out, bro.
Ganun din ang tunog niya.
Close. Or maybe I thought, or maybe
So,
something.
kasi yung mga pinagdugtong ano no.
There was a nail.
Pag mabagal pala, mararamdaman mo.
Yeah, I can even.
Nagapak siya.
lalaan.
Parang baril.
Oo.
It's like a gun firing. Shaking rope.
Bicol na doon sa Maalog. Maalog, Batangas. Pininginin ka doon.
Wala na rin, di ba? Dapat na yun man. Kasi sino dito.
500 meters till that.
We are doing.
Shut up.
Hasta Adrian, no?
Till that. So we may go get a boat. That's all we can do. So 500 meters left. So that means I'm gonna use my mom's iPhone.
Doon din siguro baksak nito.
Tamo malaking port, Anilaw Port. Welcome.
We may almost be there, guys. We're almost there. Wait, I'm gonna tell my mom.
Ay, oo, yung imbaka ng petrol, grabe, laki pala.
Mom, ba't ano?
Galing doon sa ano yata yung
Malapit na pa tayo.
Oo,
Galing doon sa
Mga ilan miles?
20 minutes.
Ito din
Oh,
na
30 minutes
Kargahan pa.
till we're in.
Para po. Yan ang pinaka supply nila. Yung nasunog sa Thailand ba yun o ano? Baka ng gasolina nila sunog. Pabong.
Dapat naman 7-Eleven bread.
Nagpailan tayo ng ano, no? May munchkins tayo. Nakatanga ka talaga.
Dito?
Kain pala, chat mo. Uy, nahulog, oh.
Stickers
Ito,
here.
kaliwa kanan ba eh.
Upuan lang.
Opening.
Doon na tayo.
So this is here.
Ay, yung ano sa kabila naman.
100 meters now.
Onto Sandoval, then turn left onto RPM Row Avenue.
I guess this is it. Here goes nothing.
Maligaw rin kami rito.
Go, Iko!
Emergency video.
Continue on below.
Ayan, oh, baboy, oh.
2.5 kilometers.
Whoa.
Yan o, galing
Lush.
baboy o.
Oh, ito yung undox. Ito na. Ito kami bumili ng pagkain. Undox ng kinain namin.
So the Adox. This is where my mom has been here for the second time.
Okay na, ito na.
Isang andok, yun yung napaupo.
This is here. Yay! Finally
Hindi pa kalahati lang binili namin.
arrive at our destination.
Saka barbecue yun lang. Yun yung pagkain namin. Tapos dilata, kinaumagaan, corned beef. Hindi na. Busog na kami. Tapos mga chichirya lang. Bibit.
Isa naman, puntan naman tayo ng bandang Pangasinan.
Ganda sana rin doon. Kasang lahat.
Ayaw. Ay, di ko
So,
pupunta
guys.
tayo doon. Punta natin si Uncle Dan mo.
Ayaw, sa Alan.
It's almost there.
Lapit lang Alaminos.
Oo.
We're almost there in our destination.
Punta
And
natin
then buying a boat.
Ayaw.
And also got a very similar thing that happened in Cagbalete. Thailand, yeah. The one that I filmed
Sila Lara yung
in 2024.
bahay nila doon, wala nang tao siguro.
The
Yun, ano?
previous island.
Nasa kanan na
previous-
tayo sila.
Ito sabi yung hardcore.
The beach.
Manitan mo na lang po.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's go.
Baka naman nalagos.
I might not continue this clip, but I will end it. So see you later in the next clip. Well, guys, I guess this is it, the fort. Mom, should I give the iPhone to
Wait
you?
lang, ano.
200 meters.
I guess this is it.
Find your destination.
Opo.
Oo.
Ayaw doon dito maglakad.
Wow, arte.
Ayaw lakad.
Ayaw lakad.
Yan, buwak.
Pwede nyo.
I hope I could upload them all.
Wala pa yung malaking ano eh. Arco. Ayun, yung malaking art. Ayan.
Yo.
Ayan na.
Yo, we have arrived.
Ayun yung bakery na yun. Ayan o, Anilaw Bakery. Pwede nyo lakarin.
Saan pa parking free?
Sa loob pa po tayo.
Dito tayo.
Ayun.
Para hindi na tayo lakad ng malalim.
Kasi yung dito yung sakyan.
Apo. Sa safe na lang na ano. Sa loob na nito pa.
Safe zone.
Wasap yan, Bing.
Marami
Apo.
naman nag-iwan dyan na nun.
Apo.
Mabini, Batangas. Mabini, Batangas.
Oo, may 7-Eleven.
And there's even 7-Eleven, I guess.
Yun.
Nasa sa?
Parking.
Iiwan ko to. Pero, hindi ko ba nakita?
Wala pala dito ng bubong.
Nandito boss, sa kaliwa. Aalis yan.
Masasabi. Marami na pala eh.
Pati, bukas. Alis mo na siya, tekit ako ng pista. Alis mo na siya, tekit ako ng pista. Ayun po yung pista mo. Sige, tuloy. Doon sa pala po siya.
Ako yung alis. Atin tourist. Tadag ko lang gitara. Tourist. Kaya mabi.
May ang gamit eh, palalaman naman eh. Bili na tayo ng alam ko. Gabi 1.5 na. Mata ni Torres Limos.
Ano, yan ang gagawin natin.
Ikaw magsasali? Ikaw sasali?
Yung sombrero.
Lalabas kami. Pag lalabas ka, iwan mo sa ito.
Kaya pa ba?
Ha?
Kaya pa ba?
Ito ang tatamanin ko.
Hello?
Kaya? Kasya kayo kuya?
Bakit kayo lahat ano?
Nakalanggap?
Saka
lang?
Iwan ako. Shit. He's gonna watch you guys in the window. Yo. It's good. Can watch you guys. You didn't see anything. I'll check the footage later. Oh yeah, finally they're here. Sealed and locked.
Gab, baba hindi ka bababa. Pag pinatanan ni Tito Elvin mo yung makina, bumaba ka, mamamatay ka dyan.
Hmm?
Pag pinatanan yung makina ni Tito Elvin, bumaba ka dyan, mamamatay ka dyan.
Might go.
Ito na yung sound.
We go find it. Guys, yes, this is where our destination arrived. This might be our stuff in here, so guess we're waiting for the boat. Never mind. So we wait for the go to a market, like marketplace, not the mall one, to the like a marketplace. They went there, so if they came back, we will go to the boat. 5:33 a.m. It's now gonna be sunset. The sun is now rising. Oh, we can even see it's like Earth's atmosphere. Yeah, it's gonna be summer, hot as hell. Wait, where are they going? No way you're going here. Shala! Ain't no way. No, my sister, the pink one. No! Why they came there? Bruh, I have to go check on them. Yeah, water, I'm here now, so that's where now I'm gonna detect them. Audrey! God damn. Gotta follow those waters. Chill out! Guys, what are you doing? Anong ginagawa nyo? You should come back. Hey, you should come back. Audrey is like now dirty. She's now touching the sand. Look at her. Why did you even let her do this? Dad's gonna be mad because of you let her.
Let's watch here. Come here, Audrey. Walk. Dito, come here. Now walk. Here.
No, full ocean view. Yes. I'm gonna be cooked if they see this footage. Bro, why they like... Bro! Look at it, bro!
Go there.
No, definitely walk. I should definitely go back for safety. I'm gonna go back for safety, bro. To go back for safety. Ah, guys, back at the location that we're here. Damn it! So, I'll be going back. It's windy, so I think temperature may get hot. So I might take off my jacket. I'm eating lollipop again.
Mama, ipap. Mami, may ipap.
Ay, akin na nga. May daw po nga po dyan.
Ay, nakapunta na tayo ng safe. Dapat namalin din. Ay, hayaan mo na para relax tayo. Paglit lang mo yan. May mantika ka payat mo na? Kasi dito. Saan?
Mami, tinipap. Mami, tinipap.
Ay, lala. Y'all notice we wear the jackets at the same time, bro. I wear the jacket, but you wear a jacket, right? Hope I get careful here, but look, there's fish. I'm seeing fish around this area. I hope I don't fall there to death. Oh, this fish. If I fall, this fish gonna eat my balls. Never mind, just ignore it. Oh look, a lepidodendron tree.
Say it, mountain.
Sabi mo, ma'am? Mountain.
Hindi nga lang, may parang.
It's been like an hour now, like we've been waiting for.
Mag-improve, dumami.
Can I tell Mom something? This deadly thing they ever build. It's rusty. Shit's now rusty. Thanks sa ano ng boat.
Huli pa yun ah.
Kita mo? Mga fish. Kita mo, Adri?
Fresh! Dami!
Kuha kayo ng tinapay doon.
Oo nga, tara nga.
Alka!
Audrey, baka maulog ka. Hey, you might fall if you keep going. Pengin tinapay.
Tinapay?
Kasap isda. Wala.
Ay, tinapay sa isda.
Okay.
Ayun kasi ako din isa.
You might fall, bro. Yo, take a shortcut.
Pira-piraso lang kuya. Hindi ko ha.
Let's see. Okay.
Kaya mahulog ka dyan ha. Ako.
Oh, shit!
Bawal mag-sit. Ganyan lang.
Ganyan, ganyan.
Try mo nga.
Ganyan.
Ay, hindi kinain. May tumalon? Oh? Na bata? Ano? Ano isda?
Huh?
Hindi naman kinain.
Ano nyo dyan?
Hindi naman kinain kuya eh.
Parang sa Piodoran lang din. Papunta kay Lali.
Ang dami isda. Ano isda kaya ito? Hindi naman kinain.
Dami.
Oh!
Dilis, be.
Dilis yan?
They want to eat it, bro.
Hawakan mo si Audrey.
Hawak ko.
Diba na?
Ayaw naman eh. Wag na. Ginang ano. Ayaw.
Bebe, alam mo yung cellphone mo kung ipatong sa hita. Ay, may tali pala.
Isda kaya yan?
Isda yan.
I'm sitting in here, though.
Da!
Parang sa Willis.
Da, mom!
Oo. Kasi makikita mo puti siya, di ba? Pag umaangat.
What did you do?
Ang dami.
Naku, bebe, mahulog ka ha.
Mom!
Bebe, baka atras ka, be. Huwag ka dyan. Baka tumuwad yung bangon. Opo.
Nice.
Yan? Lalang?
Bakal.
Sorry.
Ito, ano ka na, balik ka na.
Oo nga, no? You lost.
Bit matagap. Bit matagap.
Sasakay ba tayo?
Kuya Lay, iabot na natin.
we going in?
Thank you.
Hey, what about this?
Wait lang, Bench.
Never mind.
Malaglag ka dyan. Boss, huwag ka na balikat. Nagulo. Iyak na lang, iyak.
Sakit ka na? Galing ka na?
Hindi pa.
Eh, sana. Well. Filming everything. Video ko nga eh. It's all taking so long, huh? Yeah.
Kami na kayo dahan. Makakaupo kayo dyan. Apat.
Sino muna?
Sariwa ba ito?
Yo, finally.
Okay, paano? 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit, it's gonna be hard. Oh no. Oh shit. It's so scary. Oh, scary. Oh, scary. Never mind. Finally. Yo! Yes! Finally. Hello. Where's the seat? What? Why?
Saan ba gusto?
Si Daddy dito.
Para maka-video ka sa ano.
Eh, si Daddy dito. Kaya ikaw dito.
Yung kausap ka.
No. Kung nga katabi, ikaw eh. Excuse me. Finally! Bruh. So guys, I've been wearing a jacket for a long time, so it's my daddy. He's my dad, my father, my sister.
Ika, Brel.
It's my very first time here in this boat. So it's the Cagbalete boat. It's going to Iowa. It was so very good. What kind of stuff? Bracket. Anyways, you guys should like and subscribe, and also that help me reach 2K subscribers in the end of 2035. Let's hope that happens. I wish it. Yes. The window. Dang, this boat is massive, like Titanic. Just kidding. Shapes. Finally. Shades, finally.
Pero nakita ng 15 minutes.
Well, it's now finally starting, guys. other boat. Bro. Keeping my sheaves like this. So finally.
Let's go.
Wow. Finally. We arrived here, guys. Finally. Woohoo! Arrived there. Like and subscribe. It's been a minute now. It's like took me a whole hour. It's like took me a hour. We're on a ride, so.
Papa! Papa!
Sin mom.
Papa! Ligo tayo!
Eh, bakit walang sand? Bakit walang sand?
Wala pa mamaya. Hindi pa tayo dito. Lilipat pa tayo.
I guess we may go on another ride. Kailan naman yan?
Maligo tayo!
Oo yan, no?
Wait. Mga gamit
The guy with his hand
Dito ka lang sabi.
Sino nagbuhat yan? Ewan ko. I-report mo na. Hindi doon niya ilagay.
Basta ito hindi sa amin.
Hindi yan.
Oh well, there's no sand, I guess.
Saan pa ba yung anak doon?
So we ended up.
Alat ba lang dito? Hindi na sa ilabas. Hindi na ilabas. Sige. Wala ko yun. Saka...
Wala kayo ba?
Okay na. Pulay-pulay. Wala na ulang. Ay, bayan ka.
Good na?
Si Audrey.
Nandiyan na. Okay, kanya-kanya na. Pakat na. Tricycle dun sa ano.
Tricycle?
Tricycle tayo ngayon.
Oh well, we're going on a tricycle, so I heard my mom. Thought this is where we. Oh well, guess not. See my Lego parts here. My Lego.
Get your own.
What?
Tingnan mo yung cooler. Ayun, nakituro mo si Daddy.
What would I help it? This time we might ride a motorcycle. I tricycle, right?
Buka dito, Audrey.
Baka ba si Daddy dito makaupo?
Kasama kayo ma'am na rin? Ma'am, kasama kayo na rin?
Hindi. Ano ba? Mali ba? Mali ka ba? Baba daw!
Na. Ayun na, Mom. Second time mo? Yes, Mom, second time. Dad, second time. And Dad, second time. Guys, we're almost there. Recording this, bro. I'm doing this insane. Destination arrived.
Oh, Rose.
My Lego's over there. Oh, my sister won't see. Hey, Dad. Our destination arrived. It's gonna be sand.
I'm making a house. Mama.
I might end the video because that you will see. Wait, I'm gonna do a video later. So guys, bye bye. See you later.
Isa 35.
Another day, 20%. Sandy. Bro. It's rocky. I wanted to go back to Cagbalete Island, bro. My end of video.
Yung nakabirdeng. Agawin sa natin, no?
Saan ako?
Yan kay mami dati.
Dito sa barko?
Oh, sige, hindi ko dito.
Kuya, paano to yung ano?
Ayaw.
Upa ka?
Doon kayo po.
Tatlo daw, tatlo.
Oo. Ilan piraso ngayon?
5 dito, 5.
Nay. Damn. I'm so scared to take another step.
Isa dito. Isa pa dito. Ma, dito ka na kaya, ma?
I'm so scared to do a video. Could you speak English?
Dapat pumasok na ako dito para dito na sila ate.
Diyan ka na.
Yan.
Kapanak, dito na pa rin. Mahirapan si mami yan. Dito ka.
Sino ka una? Saan ako?
Yan, upo ka na dyan. Para pantay.
Mag-vlog-vlog.
Dito.
Yan, oo. Okay.